One province that had kept COVID numbers low is now dealing with a worrying surge. Newfoundland and Labrador reported 30 new cases of COVID-19 today, the biggest single-day increase since March of 2020. Public health restrictions have been put in place in St. John's. As Ross Lord reports, this is happening the week of a provincial election.
In Newfoundland and Labrador, holding an election in the middle of winter is risky. Pulling it off during a growing COVID-19 outbreak could be even more challenging.
We have 30 new cases of COVID-19 in our province. All are in the Eastern Health region.
Health officials say there's community transmission. That's a big deal in a small province where COVID-19 had been stifled since last spring.
We are therefore implementing a 2-week circuit breaker to slow the spread of the virus.
That means a range of businesses, including bars, fitness centers, and cinemas, will be closed.
This is probably the worst case scenario, in terms of community spread.
The outbreak is traced to a local restaurant and to a high school, both in Mount Pearl outside St. John's.
The main emotion you're feeling is anxiety, right? Because everybody, as we started this week, was really wondering, who was impacted and who wasn't.
About 1,000 students and staff are being tested. Among those crossing their fingers hard is Premier Andrew Furey. He chose to call an election now instead of waiting until later in the year. With COVID cases climbing, Furey is getting blasted online. He insists he has no regrets.
We were going to have to deal with COVID-related issues in an election cycle. Is it ideal? No, but I didn't create that scenario. I was making a judgment at the time based on the numbers and looking at trying to look into the future as best I could.
Furey says it's up to election officials to decide if it's necessary to delay Saturday's vote. He suggests he's confident it can be conducted safely, while admitting no one knows how large the outbreak could be by then. Ross Lord, Global News.